So this is where we are. This is how far in the repair we are. So what I'm doing now, there's a plate covering the SIM tray. Taking that out. Couple little grounding clips that we need to take out as well. Just keep track of those. Now that I have that out, I can go ahead and remove my SIM tray, which is held in with a standoff screw and a 00 Phillips, or sorry, a TriStar. Now I gotta eject the SIM tray to remove the SIM slot. Once the SIM tray's out of there, it's really easy to go ahead and pull that SIM slot out. Now I'm gonna move on to my speaker, because that is layered on top of my Taptic engine. I'm gonna remove that. I've got 4 00 Phillips screws holding that down. And I'm just gonna arrange these screws how I took them out. As I say in all my lives, it's just good practice here. And then we've got 2 standoff screws and a 00 Phillips screw holding this Taptic engine in. Once those are removed, I can go ahead and disconnect the Taptic engine. Now I have access to my barometer cover back plate. Take those 2 TriStar screws out, apply some heat. That guy would kind of come right out. So now we have just our lightning port flex assembly, right?